We're going around shopping, getting ready for hurricane. It's a little windy already. The flag is already moving. There's the traffic. We thought before the hurricane. Hurricane come, we can't go out and eat. Everything is closed. I have leftover. I ate shrimp and fries.
They were both having yes.
And rice and okra. My drink is tea. We're shopping for hurricane. It's getting busy now. People are buying a lot of stuff. We're buying gas. They run out gas. We have to wait until they fill it all up. They're getting ready for hurricane. It's already kind of windy here. We're in the drink aisle. Look at the drink aisle. Some of it is empty. We're in the store getting ready for hurricane. Oh, we're in the wrong side. Let's go this way. Look at the food. It's getting empty shells. Oh, we need paper towel. I need paper towel. We just bought. You want some of the crackers? Go ahead and get, because I'm getting the other one. We're in the snack aisle. I'm getting instant coffee. Just. Are you kidding me? What else in my list? Where's the cereal and all that? Oatmeal probably dessert. Isn't it? I have to get my oatmeal.
So everything's like instant coffee.
We're not getting instant coffee here. I guess let's go. This place is getting busy. Look how busy the store. Where are you going?
Well, that stuff.
You're not going with me?
My flour and my not.
Whatever, we stay here then. Almost, this is a long line. I don't know why you wanna stay here. Just get in the line. Over here. Oh, the chicken. No, I don't know. This is how I shop. Check out this BC.